Hello ma'am, I'm Gopinath, you have 354. Now I'm going to show you the java6 exercise of interface. I had the program to create a shape interface which contains the area and perimeter functions, and also create a square, rectangle, triangle and circles classes which implements this interface. And we also create a main class which contains the menu driven program to calculate the area and perimeter of the various shapes. Now I'm going to show you the code. This is the shape interface which I created as shape, which includes the two functions. As you know, always the interface will have the static variables only, so you can able to see a static function only, where you can able to see this float area as a static functions, two functions which is for calculating area and a perimeter. Now I'm going to show you the rectangle. Rectangle is I create implements the interface of the shape, and it has, and I declared a float data type of L and B for creating length and breadth of the rectangle, and also created a constructor which initialize the current object of that itself of L and B itself. And also there are two functions of area and perimeter which were in the shape, where you can, it will return the L into B area of the rectangle and also perimeter of the rectangle. These are the two formulas for that. It will return that one. And also now I'm going to show you the circle also, which implements the shape only, and shape interface only, which has the float data type of R. And also I created a constructor for that a circle which has the same current object itself. And also area will return and the area of the circle, and also for perimeter it will return the perimeter of the circle. Now I'm going to show you the square. This is the square also, which implements the shape interface only. And also I created a float data type of A, and also I created a constructor called float S, and which includes the current object only, and also returning the area of the square and also the perimeter of the square. Now I'm going to show you the triangle also, which implements the shape interface only, which has a three data types of float data types of A, B, C for for the triangle. This also I created a constructor of triangle which holds the current object itself, and also for that calculating the area, have a area function, and this is the formula for the area of a triangle, and this is a formula for the perimeter of the triangle. Now I'll show you the main function of that. This is the main function. In this main function, I created a scanner object which can able to user can able to enter the data, and I also created a while loop where for entering the choice square, rectangle, triangle or circle. I created this one where it will holds the choice of C dot next line, so it will take the values as integer. So the case says that if the case is 1 means, if it is 1 means we have to go and enter the side of the square, so it will holds the value in the float variable, and it will convert that into a float. And also for square, I created a square object for that, so that using that square object I can able to access the two functions of area and parameter. So it will go and go to the area and calculate the area of the square, and also it will go to the perimeter and calculate the perimeter of the square. Same if it was a case 2 means same as what I did in the square. I created a two data type of L and B for the length and breadth, and also created an object for rectangle, and in the inside, and also we can pass a parameter for that rectangle L and B. So a rectangle, the object rect will call the area function also, and also it will call the perimeter function for calculating the area and the perimeter of the rectangle. If it is a case 3, if we click 3 means you can able to enter the triangle, so it will ask for the three values of the triangle. And also you can able to I created a object for the triangle, which has the 3 parameters inside it. So the object of the triangle is the trie. So trie dot area and trie dot perimeter will call the two functions of the perimeters and areas to calculate the area and perimeter. Like if it is a case 4 means it is for circle. So circle is same what I did on the previous one. So I created a circle object where you can able to see using the CA I can able to access the area and perimeter. Now I'm going to run the program, where you can able to see here. So now I'm going to show you the square one. So enter the side. So we're going to enter as some 2. So we can able to see the area and perimeter. Now again I'm going to enter a rectangle. I'm going to give it two sides, 12 and 16. Now you can able to see the area of the rectangle. Now I'm going to go for a triangle. So I have triangle, I have to show you the three sides. So 2, 4, 6. So you can able to see the area and the perimeter of the triangle. Now I'm going to show you the circle. So circle I'm giving some 8. So you can able to see the perimeter and area of the rectangle. That's all of this interface program. Thank you, ma'am.